Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make crispy mogo chips. Mogo is also known as cassava or yucca. So let's get cooking. You'll need cassava or yucca. I like to use the frozen kind because it's already peeled and cut, but you can use a fresh one if you want to. Oil for deep frying. Some chili powder, some salt, and lemon juice for sprinkling on the fried cassava. In your pressure cooker, put 1 to 2 centimeters of water. Add about a teaspoon of salt to this and give it a stir. This is just to add salt to the water and make sure that it's evenly spread and not sitting on top of the cassava itself. Then add as many pieces of cassava as you want to eat into this water. It doesn't matter if the cassava is still frozen. Then put this on to pressure cook for 10 minutes. Once the cassava has pressure cooked for 10 minutes, go ahead and turn the heat off and let the pressure release naturally. When the pressure has released completely, go ahead and open the pot. Remove the cassava into a plate. Once this is cool enough to handle, we're going to cut it into chips. So take one piece, cut it in half, and in the middle, it is quite sticky actually, which is natural. In the middle, you'll see this hard core that you want to remove. And then just cut them into like 1.5 to 2 centimeter pieces, ready to fry. All these little bits, that's okay. You can fry them too. Anything that feels hard in the center, just take it out because it doesn't taste good. Anything like this, once you feel it, if it feels tough, just remove it. This looks like it was the end of the yucca, and so there's quite a bit of core in there. I'm actually just going to throw that out because it won't taste good. If your pieces are like this, now this is like really soft. Don't worry, because when you fry it, it's just going to be so delicious. I'm not even going to cut that because it's really soft. Now you can see this one's pretty thick on this side and it's thin on this side. It's okay because we've pre-boiled it. They're already cooked, so it doesn't matter. Now if you see anything like this, which is like bruising, take it out, because it gets darker as you fry it. Now, if you're having guests over, this is such an easy dish to prepare because you can do all this prep work the day before. Put this in the refrigerator, and then when you're ready to fry it, just take it out and deep fry it. My oil is heating up. I've got my plate ready here with a paper towel, and I've got my slotted spoon. So you can tell when the oil is ready if you drop in a little bit of cassava in there and it starts bubbling quickly, then go ahead and add a few more pieces. Be careful because it's really hot. And then just mix it around. They do tend to stick together a little bit, but just go ahead and separate them with your spoon. It's starting to get nice and golden now. If you like it light golden like this, you can take it out now, or if you prefer it more brown, you can leave it in there a little bit longer. I'm going to remove this one because this is actually how we like it. Then quickly sprinkle this with a little bit of salt. All right, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice on there and some Cayenne chili powder. And this is ready to eat. So good and crunchy.
Yeah.
So good. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram page and Facebook, and the written recipe is available on my website. I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration.